Unprecedented precision, quantitative edge, stunning results. This is Jensen Code. Join the community as we help you grow. Remember, it's not what you can make, but what you can keep.
Exactly. It's not what you can make, but what you can keep. So let me show you how we implemented that in today's market recap. And as usual, I'll be going over today's morning analysis, the trading ideas, and the actual trades taken. Let's first go ahead and dive into the PnL and see how we did today. It looks like we are closing up the day just about 2,900 or so, with a profitability of 66%. So not a bad day overall. Could have done a little bit better. We'll go ahead and discuss that here in a sec. I'll go over the morning thesis, which we discuss on the live call for our members each and every single day. So if you're interested in learning more about the community, we'll briefly go over the details later in the video. So be sure to stick around for that. And we'll go over the SPY levels. Let me go ahead and pull that up real quick. Here is members today. We actually had our moderator, was the only one that was in today. Other guys had meetings. Moderator was in, had about a break-even day. It was one red trade that we took. We'll go ahead and show you guys that here in a sec. And then let's go over today's thesis. And this is what we discussed in the morning live call. So here's the morning picture that we put in for our members each and every single day. Levels to watch for. You can see that we have them there posted and exactly what we're looking for. So the range today was peak. You can go ahead and you guys can pause the video review. I'll briefly just skim over it. Pause it and take a quick peek if you would like. Otherwise, SPY range today was 392.21 to 395.08. All right. If you guys take a look here, that would be this blue number here. And that was 395.08 for the next one, which is this teal number here. So that was the range we were looking at today. But more importantly was the analysis. This is provided to us by our AI systems. And the analysis today said SPY Bull's sole mission today is to keep price above the range all day in a sideways grind higher type of action. The SPY Bulls will look to keep all 15-minute closes above the range and thus keep the pocket above 2 and or through 397.72 open. SPY Bulls closing a 60-minute spot candle above this spot becomes a must hold, or they risk giving up the day, which means that they must push higher. What is that spot? That would be that one right there, 397.72, and then they pushed all the way through to 40, just shy of 403.50. They pushed today, so it seems something like that. Let's go ahead and go over the trades we took today. So actually, it was a pretty good day, a nice green day, but I did take one red trade. I'll show you guys where that is. So to start the morning, it was fairly simple. We were starting to get the first downtrend of the day right here. On the pullback, went ahead and grabbed a short here, lock up a little bit of cash flow for some cushion, just in case what we did at the open. This was prior to market open. But went ahead and took this trade right there. I'll show you guys right there, and covered that position just to get a little bit of cushion on the day. So that started off, we were like 700 or so green on that trade. And then market opened, went ahead and waited for the initial flush to come out. Started to discuss with the team and the members, hey, if we can recover this line, this baby's going to run. Okay, that's what we were initially looking for. As soon as we saw that, trying, cleared it, said, okay, on the first back test, we're going to go ahead and go long, which was right here. As soon as I saw that holding that back test at that level, immediately hit it twice, did not get filled. It just jumped up super quick. No fill for me. Our moderator did go ahead and get that trade, which was a nice, easy trade for him. Really, really good stuff. Glad he got that. He was able to ride that all the way to 408.25, which was right up here. That was our final profit target on that trade. Good way to start the day for him. I, unfortunately, did not get that long. I would have made a super great day. And we sat tight. Not much to do after that. We hit the 40.10, which if you saw in the first portion of the video, that was our spot to push it. Right. Then we end up getting our AI systems come in. We have two numbers that kicked into place after that. So which was this 40, 48, 50, which ended up being right around the high of the day, and also this number 2. You can see this green trailing line is a stop for long if you had entered from down here, but I unfortunately did not. So waited to see if we were going to get some type of short opportunity. Our number 2 bar came in. This is a pretty good example of how the system works, right? So we have initially a number 1, and it gives you time to pause, prepare, wait, plan, write down your plan, make sure you size accordingly, and we'll get a number 2 identified by the number 2 orange bar. That typically tells you, in this case, was a short. We entered short. I booked some profit on that. We pushed up. I added a little bit right there and ended up getting stopped out the rest right there. So that was the red trade of the day. You saw the moderator was also red from that trade. And I also took a hit from that trade. So I was red. So the green 700 from this one. This one was red about 1,000 or so. Then got stopped out. So no big deal. Let that go. It was well within the risk tolerance. Let this push. We let it push. And right here, just remember the 40-48 that our system's kicked out way back here. Your 40-48 should be around the high of day. And as soon as we saw that Foreman right here, went ahead and took a short position. Now we use a automated system bracket. So as soon as we entered short, this thing wicked really nasty and hit the bracket before we had time to manually adjust. So entered, got stopped quite immediately, and then acknowledged the problem. That was my fault for the bracket order. Didn't have enough time to move that. Re-entered this trade right there and was able to ride this all the way down through this. So that was a really, really nice short, and then took the final piece of profit right there. And that was about the bulk of the trade today, which made us right around 2,900 green today. So really, really good trade there. Very happy with that. Towards the end of the day, there was another one. We were testing the live streams for later. As of Wednesdays, we'll be doing live streams. That was the final trade of the day. You can see in the range here that our systems go ahead and kick out. That was a great trade. Probably the better one of the day, but unfortunately missed it. Was getting the live streams ready for you guys for Wednesdays. So overall, great day. Very happy with today's action. Very happy with today's market. Notice the closes, right? We had initially the first all 15-minute closes above the range, which is this teal. And as soon as you get a 60-minute close above this 40, 10, 50 means it must hold and push. So very good stuff today. Quite happy. And let me know how you guys did today. Did you guys have a good day, green day, bad day? You excited for this market action? A lot of volatility ahead. Make sure you guys are prepared. Don't be missing out. Come on in, join us. Get part of our AI systems and how they manage each and every single day. You guys see in these recaps. Okay, nothing better like this. The reason why we use this is strictly because of the process, right? The AI systems are great because it takes the human subjectivity out. So, well, that was it for today's opportunities. Like what you see, then come on, join the community, be part of an environment built from the ground up to provide sustainable long-term results and help traders keep profits made. Learn the markets with us and venture into the world of AI-driven success. I'm sure tomorrow will provide some more good opportunities. And remember, it's not what you can make, but what you can keep.
Our AI and indicators are designed for high accuracy and success, even for beginner traders. Listen in on our daily live calls where we cover our trading thesis and guide you through our live trades. Need advice on things like risk management and trade ideas? Join us in our weekly meetings where you can ask us anything. Like what you see? Then join the community and use the tools we offer for your success.